Hi everyone, Christina Danforth here with HR Jetpack. I just received my 2022 SHRM Learning System books in the mail, and I couldn't be more excited. I'm going to do an unboxing, but I also want to answer a popular question. What do I get when I sign up for the SHRM Certification Exam Prep program with HR Jetpack? When you prepare for your SHRM-CP or SHRM-SCP exam with HR Jetpack, you're registering for more than just a course. You're enrolling into a full-blown program. What's the difference between a prep course and a prep program? I'll get to that in a minute, but first, let's start with the official unboxing. After enrolling in our program, you receive a package just like this, approximately weighing 8 pounds. Let's unbox. Let's take a quick look at each of the books you'll be using throughout the program. First, we have the HR Competencies book. The SHRM certification exam is based on the SHRM body of applied skills and knowledge. The 9 behavioral competencies are referenced throughout the content. This is where the program begins. Then we move on to the People textbook, focusing on various topics like HR strategy, talent acquisition, and total rewards. Next, the Organization textbook with topics like the structure of the HR function and workforce management. And finally, the Workplace textbook with topics like corporate social responsibility and risk management. Now, this is what you get in the mail, but what do you get in the HR Jetpack program? A lot. First, you will receive about 36 hours of live online instructor-led training. This is where our instructors walk you through the material, highlight concepts and theories, go over practice questions, and provide overall guidance to pass your exam. Notice each of the modules are listed on the textbooks. This is how the program is essentially structured. During the 36 hours of live online instructor-led class, you'll be reviewing these topics. We work with experienced HR professionals who have already earned their SHRM-SCP. Our instructors will give you a high-level overview of the content and will walk you through the material. Access to the online SHRM Learning System is also included in the program. This incredible resource is also organized by these modules with quizzes, videos, flashcards, and test-taking tips, and most importantly, 2,500 plus multiple choice questions to help you prepare for the exam. You will also receive a digital version of the textbooks if you prefer to read the material digitally. And here's the best part. This program includes practice exams with questions that have been previously on actual SHRM certification exams. This is the closest thing you'll ever get to the real exam. You won't find this in any other system. In addition to all of this, we record every session. So if you miss a class or want to re-watch a class, you can easily do this at your convenience. At the end of your program, you can continue to review any or all of the class recordings over and over again. Remember, this isn't just a course. With HR Jetpack, it's a program. You'll also receive access to more than just one class, including number 1, an extra timed practice exam in your HR Jetpack account meant to help you check your progress. Number 2, our popular self-paced course that takes the confusion out of the SHRM BASC. It's approximately 3 hours and is perfect for anyone who is just starting their SHRM certification journey. It's a fantastic way to start our program. Number 3 is an important part of the program and is key to solving the number 1 issue exam takers struggle with: you will receive access to approximately 8 hours of pre-recorded sessions that show you how to best answer situational judgment questions. Situational judgment questions are the most difficult type of question on the exam, and it's where most of you will struggle. Many of our students have said this part of the program gave them the confidence they needed to pass their exam. And finally, you will have exclusive access to the online community full of HR pros like you who are working hard to earn their SHRM certification. A number of our members have already passed and still provide feedback and support to those members who are preparing for the exam. In this online community, we post exam questions, study tips, and test-taking advice. Many of our students say the online community is their favorite part of our program. As an award-winning SHRM education partner, we at HR Jetpack have built our program around the best resources and instructors in the business. There's no need to do this on your own. It's time to put on your HR Jetpack and join a community 100% focused on preparing you for the SHRM-CP and SHRM-SCP exams.